How to send message to multiple contacts on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device. Here, tap on the plus icon on the top right of your screen, and here you will see the option for new broadcast. So tap on the new broadcast option you see there, and further go ahead and select the messages or the people that you want to send message to. Once you have selected the people whom you want to send the message, go ahead and tap on the create option on the top right of your screen, and with this, the broadcast will be created with the recipients in it. You can then go ahead and type in the message that you want to send, and with this, all the message will be sent to everyone in the broadcast present. So this was about how you can send message to multiple contacts in WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.